Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dr. Hayatu Musa Mohammed from the Department of Library and Information Science. The course code is LIBS 882. The course title is Web System Design and Management, Module 3. The topic we'll be treating now is coding with HTML. If you remember the second module, the basic format of the HTML would follow the same line, but here we'll bring in new codes. Let's see what I mean. We'll start, normally every HTML document starts with HTML, the HTML element. Now, it has a head and then the title. Let's still use 882. We'll now close the head. Basically, this forms the head element. Okay, we'll open a body. And then let's just say this is our second web page. Now, in HTML, there's something we call attributes. Just like in real life, attributes will better qualify you. Now, some of the tags in HTML have attributes. Like the body tag, it can have an attribute of background color, coded this way. Be very careful, don't put the U. The computer understands just this as color. So let's say we put a red background to this web page. Now, your HTML, the beauty of HTML is the fact that you can jump from one page to the other. And to do that, you need an hyperlink. And to put in an hyperlink here, you use the code href. Now, you are referencing this page to another page. And so the other page will have to come here. Let's say the first page we saved is jamila.html. And then we'll put an anchor. This anchor is what you see on the browser with a line under it. Naturally, if you look at this through the web browser, you'll see the anchor. Let's say, contact us. It is contact us that you see on the browser, something like this, with a line under it. And if you have not clicked the link before, it stays blue. But if you have clicked it before, it turns into pink, purple, sorry. So this is my second web page. So let's say my first web page. Or what we do normally is to put it in here, so that we know where we're going to. Let's say first page. This connects you to the first page we designed. So, and then we'll now close the body. And then the whole of the document. Now, this is just the first code we're seeing. We'll see many others. Let's see others. Just like I said in the first video, whatever you want on your page should come between the body elements. So this is on our body element. Now we can do formatting. We can make text bold by putting B. This is the code for making text bold. You can see emoji. And then B. It will make emoji bold on the web browser. Other things you can have on a page is, there is this series of headings from H1 to H6 in HTML. You can use these headings to really partition your page. You can say, for instance, H1, module 1. And then you close that H1. You can now have H2. You now say topic. You close H2 and so on. These are some of the tags, some of the codes you can use in HTML. One other thing you need to know, whatever is in this document will have to be interpreted by the web browser. Now, the interpretation goes line by line. And so, if you make a mistake, it stops there. So, when it comes here, it sees it, okay, this is a HTML document. It comes in here and it sees head. Okay, what should I put on the head? A title. One other thing you need to know, in the head element, there are other things that can come here. The metadata and the metadata descriptors. Metadatas are data about data. This is what we librarians use in, let's say, marking our documents. It helps you retrieve this document faster, but that is more advanced than this course. Now, if it comes here, it says title LIBS 882. It puts on the address bar LIBS 882 as title. It now comes here and it sees the end of the head element. It now sees this. It says body background color red. It gives the page a red background. And then it comes here, it says this is my first page. This is my second page. That's what will appear on the page. Then it comes to this line and it sees a link to another page. Now, this is very important. This page you are linking to must be on the same directory as you're working. If not, it will not see it. So if you have saved your first page on the desktop of your computer, it means this second page must be on the desktop for this to be referenced, for this page to be referenced. And so it comes here and it sees first page. And so it gives, instead of contact us, it becomes first page. It comes here, it says, okay, I should put Moji, I should make Moji bold, makes Moji bold. And it comes here, it says, okay, H1, module 1, meaning make module 1 heading, and it has to be very bold. It will be, naturally, the H1 is the biggest heading. Then H2 like a sub-heading. And then it goes on, it has to see the body closing. If not, it would stop here and it will not display anything. And then the HTML will have to close. So it goes sequentially from one instruction to the other. This brings us to the end of this module. Thank you for watching.